Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change Imo language. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Imo application, which of course I've done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you download the Imo app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Imo and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the Imo app, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Imo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to change the Imo language. From this homepage, I would like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile icon in there. So go ahead and click on that. It takes you here where you have a couple of features which include switch accounts, security and privacy, settings, Imo voice, game center, my files, iBubble, share Imo, help, and feedback. For you to change Imo language, go ahead and click on settings, and that takes you over here where you have a couple more features which include notifications, functions, storage and data, language, display mode, account and security, manage devices, and about. Now go ahead and click on language. Once you click on language, it takes you here. So these are all the languages that are supported by Imo. We have all of these languages, including English, Turk, Portuguese, Espanol. So select any of the languages of choice, and after doing that, click on that, and your entire Imo application is going to be set or reset to the new language that you changed it to. So after selecting any of the languages, go ahead and click on this blue tick at the bottom corner of your screen, and the language is going to be changed. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.